Smartphones are great tools for voice recording, whether it's a simple voice memo or even an interview. If you have a Pixel phone, then the Pixel Recorder app is about to get a lot more useful with a new Clear Voice feature discovered in the latest update's Android package kit. With Clear Voice, the Pixel Recorder app will reduce background noise while recording for clearer speech playback. Basically, it'll keep human speech while removing unwanted and distracting background noise. However, there's one catch with the new Clear Voice function. It'll only work with the Pixel's internal microphone and only with mono audio. So any external microphones and stereo audio will not be supported by the feature, which is referred to as HD mic in the code. However, even if you sideload the latest version, don't expect to find the feature in Pixel Recorder right now. A server-side component is required for the Clear Voice feature to work. Clear Voice sounds like a welcome feature to Pixel Recorder, which has only seen a few significant updates this year. The biggest new feature is the Summarize feature that can be used on longer transcripts thanks to Gemini Nano with multimodality on the Google Pixel 9 lineup. There was another update that brought Pixel Recorder to the Pixel Watch 3 and other models, allowing users to record voice memos from their wrist. Again, it appears that Clear Voice is being prepared to ship, but it's not available right now. It still requires a server-side component, and it's unknown when Google will activate it. Still, once this feature does go live, it should make the already great Recorder app even better. Definitely keep an eye out for this one.